Indonesia's constitutional court has heard a claim brought by defeated presidential candidate Prabowo Subianto challenging the result of April's election.
Official results show that incumbent leader Joko Widodo won the election by 11 percentage points, but Mr Prabowo and his running mate Sandiaga Uno alleged that the vote was rigged.
Those allegations triggered deadly clashes between Mr Prabowo's supporters and police last month in Jakarta. And to avoid a repeat of that unrest, some 17,000 security personnel were deployed around Jakarta today while the Constitutional Court began hearing evidence.
It has to deliver a judgment by the 28th of June, as Chatni Vatvani reports.
The next hearing, which was to examine evidence and was previously scheduled for Monday, has now been postponed to Tuesday. The judges during the trial said that it would be a fair process for all parties. Now, Team Prabowo Sandi had originally filed their appeal, which focused on electoral fraud on May the 24th. However, they made revisions to the original appeal to include some additions on June the 10th. The judges accommodated these revisions, and the General Election Commission objected to these accommodations. And with the new court date, all parties will have more time to gather and present evidence and witnesses to cover the scope of the evidence examination. Just to quickly recap for you what the key points of this appeal put forward by the Team Prabowo Sandi are, and what Team Jokowi Maruf will be fighting against in court, is that Team Prabowo Sandi are claiming that the vote recapitulation is invalid as it was obtained through unlawful, improper means and accompanied by acts of abuse of power by the incumbent. Now, they say that the correct vote count should be 53% to the Prabowo Sandi pairing and 48% to the Jokowi Maruf pair. Now, the legal team of Prabowo Sandi have alleged misuse of state budget, fictitious sources of campaign funding. Mr Maruf also serves as an advisor to 2 Sharia banking institutions, and the team is arguing that this puts Mr Maruf in violation of a regulation requiring all presidential and vice presidential candidates to resign from their positions at state-owned enterprises in order to avoid conflicts of interest. That's not all. They're also alleging media bias, and all of this together with structured, systematic and massive cheating claims, which also includes a voter fraud.